Hello everyone, this is Trends and More Random Stuff here with a video that was supposed to come out. You've probably already seen the teaser to this, but this exists now. This is a lot of new stuff I got at Menards. I don't know if you can hear this over the camera, but this thing is very loud, and that hotel, the sign is very loud for some reason. All this is at Menards, if you want to get it. They have a bigger selection, though. They have more stuff. I just got a few things there because reasons. I do have a bunch of train cars, but those are for another video. As you can see, the smoke, it's water. So, water only, actually. An Easter egg they put in there is this dog. Now you're like, what's with that dog? Huh? He's there. He's there. His name is Jack, the German Shepherd. No joke. This is what it says. Table, chairs, roof vents, 2 trees, and Jack the German Shepherd. And it says that on every box with this dog. So they have good quality products, and I'll check them out. This hotel actually is advertising for them right now. It says Country Suites by Menards. I'm not gonna run anything because we've got to go somewhere today, but hope this does it for you. Content. It's hard to make sometimes, but subscribe and have fun. See y'all guys later, I guess. Bye.